Welcome to Haberdashers Monmouth Sixth Form Centre.
This is our campus, a space built just for us.
Our own cafe, breakout booths,
A library that inspires us to think big.
science. Each subject has its own floor.
Textiles.
Arts.
Whatever drives you, you'll find your place here.
It's not just a place to learn, it's a place to discover ourselves and a place where everyone belongs.
Only minutes from Monmouth, sixth form boarding is the perfect bridge between school and university. With dedicated boarding houses where we study, grow, and laugh together.
Once again, it is that time.
Whatever you're aiming for, Oxbridge, Russell Group, the creative industry, apprenticeships. Our expert tutors, outstanding teaching, and an unbeatable mentoring program will help you to make it happen. This is so much more than a sixth form. This is the springboard to your future.